Okay, for us to install doors, it usually is a little bit of challenge because you're gonna need to hold the door in one hand and you're gonna hold the drill on the other hand. But we've been doing this for years and it's a challenge to make the door lined up perfect. So I developed this little device. I call it a door installing device. So what it's going to do is I'm going to set this device up and put the door hinge on like that. And now I know the door is going to sit even with the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to go and put the screws in. And that's it, simple as that. You do the same on the top, and then when you're done, you unscrew this, and this could mount it on the left side or the right side of it. So